We're going to go to market with 3 value propositions, and it's sort of the 3 C's. It's continuity,
Continuity,
capacity, and compliance.
Compliance. And basically using virtualized technology, we're able to scale all of those on demand based on our clients' needs.
In the traditional sense, companies choose to either buy their servers and put them in their own data center, or they buy their servers and they put them in a co-location facility. But they still have to manage them either with their own people or with a managed services company. So BlueLock is going to manage our servers. We own the hardware and provide that service to our clients on for a monthly fee.
In the old model, a lot of times it involved a tremendous amount of capital expenditure for hardware and the operating systems and design of all that. And from a BlueLock standpoint, all they got to do is pay a monthly number, and we're going to bring all that to the table.
Normally, when someone puts an infrastructure in place rapidly, they have to give something up. So it may not be as secure as they need, it may not be compliant with industry regulations. At BlueLock, not only do you get rapid deployment of infrastructure, but you get to keep everything in a secure state and compliant.
So it's more of a celebration of the opening of the facility. We spent 6 months building this out, and we wanted to bring our friends together and kind of celebrate with them about opening the facility, and now we're ready to bring on clients.
We're going to celebrate today the grand opening, and I have 2 jobs as the head of sales and marketing. I need to fill that room twice. The first time with people to celebrate our grand opening, and the second time with servers.
First toast is really to all of the people in this room and not that couldn't make it, that really helped us get this off the ground. You know, you just can't do it 1 or 2 or 3 people. It really is a community, and the technology community in Indianapolis is alive and well. And to that, I want to toast. Thank you, everyone.
We really want to push it to a national focus. So we really like to see ourselves and have 5 facilities within the first 12 months and push ourselves out to Salt Lake City and to Denver and Jacksonville and those kind of cities.
We're going to concentrate on making sure that consultants and suppliers really know our story. And as they see opportunities, as they see the clients that are having trouble managing capacity, having trouble with a disaster recovery plan, that they can bring them to BlueLock with confidence and recommend BlueLock as a solution.
It's just the idea of grid computing, which is no business should ever have to worry about having enough technology to grow their product.